Hello everybody, hope you're all doing well today. I've got a real quick video for you here. I'm going to show you how to remove the ECU on a Mazda 6. This is a 2005. Super simple. You're going to need to go underneath the driver's dash, and right here is the ECU. Now traditionally there is going to be a TCM right there. I have already removed that, but you're going to have 3 bolts. One there, one up there, one over here, all 10 millimeters. You're going to need to remove these plugs as well. Looks like there is 3 of them. And then you should be good to go. Alright, so there it is. It's out. A few comments. You don't need to remove 3 bolts, just 2. Okay? The 2 nuts. There's 1 bolt and then 2 nuts. Remove the nuts. So, also 4 plugs that need to be removed. So hope this helps somebody out. If it did, go ahead, help the channel out, subscribe, give us a like. Really appreciate it. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.